just now. Just an hour ago, we spoke to him. Here's what he told us.
So we're seeing that from tomorrow onwards, May 1st onwards, vaccination is open for 18 and above. But what is the situation in the state of Tamil Nadu, sir? Are we prepared for that?
See, let me be very honest to you, is that, Government of India has given a plan, and we have also, Honorable CM has said that, we should provide it free, and we have placed, he has directed us to place orders for 1.5 crore doses, 1.25 crore Covishield and 25 lakh Covaxin. However, the fact is that, the state's allocation has been somewhere around 1/10 of this overall state's order, and we are not sure, despite placing orders, whether we will get it tomorrow. So that is why we were very honest to the people, because there should not be, and again it is based on registering in the app. So since there are a lot of confusion going around, so we have said that while 45 and above will continue, only when we get concrete information about supply, we will come and tell people about when the actual vaccination between 18 to 44 will start.
And sir, is there a tentative timing when that will happen? So for sure, from May 1st, 18 and above will not start vaccinating.
It will be difficult to start. All processes are there. Government of India is also coordinating. The moment we get concrete information of supply, because this is at a different rates and charges, so it cannot be mixed up with 45 and above. And again, we cannot do it as a free for all. They have to register. So there are a number of permutations and combinations involved. So as and when we get real clarity, we will come out open in the press, rather than allow people to speculate. Todanguma, todangada. Tomorrow will it start or not? So since we are very sure that within half a day we are not capable, despite best efforts, we may not be given even the smaller quantity which the Government of India has allocated to the state for this kind of direct state purchase approach. We are very frank to the media today morning.
Akshaya, from your conversation with the Health Secretary,